Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to block someone in MeetMe. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open MeetMe application. Here, click on the profile of the person that you want to block. Now click on the three horizontal dots in the top right corner. And here you can see the block option. Tap on it. And if you're sure, click on the continue button. So that is how you can block someone in MeetMe application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.